Good morning, everyone. Yep, 2 minutes till noon, so it is good morning. So, just a reminder that if you have a Windows based computer, before you do updates, you should really create a restore point. This way, when everything goes wrong, you have a point to go back to. I had a young serviceman in this morning who updated his computer and lost his network card and had to bring it to me to fix it. So, here's how you do that. You click on your start button. If it's Windows 11, it's this one. If it's Windows 10, it's over here somewhere. You open it up, and in the search box, you type in create or create a restore point. You click it. Bring this over so you can see it. Make sure your protection is on. If it is not on, go ahead and do configure and turn it on. Once you do that, then you create one. Set it to the date. That way it's easier to find and create. It will create a system restore point. That way it, in the event of a faulty update or a bad driver or whatever, you've got something to fall back onto because your computer is working, right? If you leave this on all the time, it should create a system restore point for you every time your Windows updates. Always good to have those. Makes my job a lot easier. And if my job is easier and if I can do it in 15 minutes or less, it saves you money. So anyways, that's your tip for today. There's this wonderful logo up here. Scan that and you can send me $5, or you can cash app it to here, or you can do a $5 donation through here. Like, share, subscribe to all the social medias, and I will talk to you later.